Yeah, so hi guys, welcome back to my channel once again, and sorry I'm making this video a little bit late. Um, yeah, I want to do something to explain further what is really happening. Um, I want to give a clear analysis on what I think about this market. So, so whenever I'm in this kind of situation whereby price is still ranging really hard, um, I tend to use some of these indicators that would likely give me some possible direction. So the first indicator I normally use is the Ichimoku, and this is the daily time frame. So let me adjust the settings so that it will be very clear. So this is the cloud. So let me make this visible enough, and this as well, and make it visible enough. Okay, this let's let's make it to be this way, and yeah, I think that's all. Okay, login span. Okay, so this is the daily time frame. Let's remove this from this and talk about what is happening here. So first one, we should not be carried away with what is happening now. We can see how the blue EMA and the red EMA has been moving towards the downside, but still getting that bullish and bearish cross. So let me put back this and let me remove the Ichimoku. I want to explain something fast. Okay, so we got this rejection week around here, which I think price will continue to consolidate around here, but we need to be very careful. We need to be very careful. Let me go to 4 hours time frame. So we need to be very careful here because you cannot just conclude and say that okay, we're back in the market, because price is still undecided for now. Price is still undecided for now. We're still in this range. We're still in this tight range for now. So nothing really much is happening in the market. We're getting a lot of coin just pumping, moving back up. Then before you know it, to go back down. So I'll be talking about the daily time frame and the 3 hours time frame, possibly the weekly time frame. So I'll make this to be very fast. So on the daily time frame, using the Ichimoku here, I don't really like the setup because whenever I'm seeing a recross up and down is not a good sign for me at all. I don't see that as a positive sign. Is that sign is automatically a strong bearish continuation signal telling us that the market is still very bearish. Future cloud is bearish. Chico span is below the cloud and inside the price. We've had this bearish bullish recross where the blue crossed the red from bottom to top, and we still got the recross back bearish. So whenever you're getting this recross over and over again, it's telling you um, this is not the time to be bullish. Just um, stay out of it and watch what will happen. So if price pushes back to this level, might face this cloud and maybe pushing to this level. But this is something we're going to watch, keep an eye on. And on the 3 hours time frame, 3 days rather, um, 3 days time frame. I can still use the daily time frame though. So now what am I looking at? I'm looking at these major levels. I'm looking at this high here and this high. Possibly price should shoot up to test those down sloping resistance. So for seeing something like this way, take it to this high and bring it to touch this level here. So we're seeing this high here, this and this. So if price comes to touch this level here, don't be surprised, though we'll likely get that double bottom. Now, two things will likely happen. Price pushing back to this level. If this want to be violated, then I want to see price breaking out from this level and making that push higher. But if price doesn't break out from this level, let me show you guys this. If price doesn't push above this level, we're seeing this little double bottom here, around here. So if price doesn't push, get to this level and break out above it, then we're gonna get that push, strong push to the downside. Take note of this. The chart pattern I just showed you guys is called a descending triangle chart pattern. A descending triangle chart pattern is a bearish chart pattern in which price would break the horizontal support, and this is the horizontal support here. Okay, so this is the horizontal support here. So we're still looking at price. Maybe price will break this down sloping resistance. So if this were to break this level to the downside, it's not going to be a good sign. We will likely push down lower, and pushing down lower, we're looking at some previous support. And take note, price is still currently at the previous all-time high in 2017. So if price were to break this level here, we'll be looking at price testing this, finding its way back to this level. But like I used to say, um, we cannot say, okay, this is what will play out. It will just break down. What I want to see is, I want to see the body of the candlestick close below this level here. I want to see it around here. Why? There's a psychological level here, one. There's another psychological level here, two, and another big one here too. So what I want the body of the candlestick, not just the rejection wick. I want the body of the candlestick to close below one, two, three. Once it closes below these three levels, then we're gonna get that strong push to the downside. Like I said, I want to see that breakdown before any push lower. Yeah, I think that is pretty much nothing really much is happening. Just getting that consolidation over and over again. And let me see if ETH is something I can look into very fast. Okay, we're still very much around here. The head and shoulders still here. Nothing is really happening. You can see how price rejected this level. Like I said, if you don't get the body of the candlestick below this level, there's no push lower. This is resistance, 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 and breakout. Came back down to test the previous resistance, now future support. So if this cannot break this, we're not going to get that deep. Okay. Okay, that's all for now. That's what I wanted to show you guys. I would try my best to continue to upload videos over and over again. So guys, make sure you subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell so that whenever I drop any video, you get that notification. So happy trading, guys, and stay safe.